Hello, my friends and new friends. I am Kat. Welcome back to my channel. You have arrived. And for today's makeup look, I'm going to be doing a nice classic Valentine inspired look. And if you like it, please hit that like button. If you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. All right, here we go, jumping into the action. So first, we got to get these curls out of the way. And as you can see, I already prepped my brows. And now to prime the face. This is my Cover FX Mattifying Primer, so I'm going to put that all in my T-zone. After I've applied that, I'm going to go ahead and add some Tarte Shape Tape and then blend it out with my fingers. And for today's palette, I'm using the Colourpop. I'm going to use this first shade here all over my lid, and it's called Locked and Loaded. Moving on with a nice fluffy blending brush, I'm going to combine the colors Naked and Nip Slip. And I'm going to focus this color right into my crease. Then to deepen it, I'm going to use with a nice smaller blending brush. This is called Teddy Bear. So right in that outer third. Then with a blending brush, just kind of blend out those harsh edges. Now for the lid, I'm going to use the pad of my pinky finger, and this is called Flasher. When applying this color to your lid, just be careful not to go too high into the crease. Now with the same blending brush as before, I'm going to go ahead and blend out this edge. And then I'm picking up another detailed brush and adding Flasher to my brow bone as well. Eyeliner time. Now I'm going to keep the wing really nice and tiny and simple today, and it's so awesome with this makeup look. You can either keep it small wing or you can accent it more because it's a nice neutral basic look that we can make it all about those wings or keep it really nice and simple. So that's what I'm going to do for today. Quick break from the eyes, I'm going to move on to my face. So I'm going to go ahead and conceal all the problem areas, my under eye, and then also add powder because I love the matte life. No dewy looks for me. Matte life, please. Adding some nice pink blush today, no contouring needed, and ooh, I'm gonna smack on some nice fluffy false eyelashes and the under eye. Here we go. So picking up that teddy bear shade with a nice angled brush, I'm gonna keep this nice and tight to the outer third and close to my lash line, and then using the same blending brush, blend that out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set everything. So spritz on your favorite setting spray, a couple spritz here and there, and then if you've seen my videos, you know I got to fan it out. Don't have time to wait for it to dry. Then a quick coat of mascara for the top and bottom lashes. Oh, moving on to my favorite part, highlight. So I'm going to hit this highlight into my inner corner, quick swipe on the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and you cannot forget sexy, sexy time right here, people. Cupid's bow, and then the cheekbones, make everything all nice and shiny and shimmery. Oh yes. Then the boldness. Here we go. Bam! Right in your face. A nice classic Valentine with that bold red lip. And then, of course, the matte life. I'm just trying to mattify even more. And give a quick little pick to these curls. Get some nice volume, some nice lift. And with a little change of wardrobe, we got a classic Valentine makeup look. Thanks for sticking around with me and watching my classic Valentine makeup look. So all my makeup lovers and curl friends, I hope you guys come back next Monday and join me for another festive video. Take care, everyone.
Uh-oh.